The Mid-Autumn Festival. Reunion under the moonlight.
What is the Mid-Autumn Festival? About this festival.
The Mid-Autumn Festival, also known as the Moon Festival, is a traditional Chinese holiday celebrated on the 15th day of the 8th lunar month. It is a time for family reunions, moon gazing, and eating mooncakes. The festival symbolizes harmony, prosperity, and the harvest season. People also carry lanterns and worship the moon goddess, Chang'e, as part of the festivities.
What people usually do during this festival?
About customs and traditions.
Admire the moon. On the night of the Mid-Autumn Festival, people gather with family to admire the moon and appreciate its beauty. Eating mooncakes. Eating mooncakes is a traditional activity during the Mid-Autumn Festival, symbolizing reunion and blessings. Hanging and carrying lanterns. Families hang lanterns indoors or outdoors to enhance the festive atmosphere. Children carry lanterns and play in the streets, making it a joyful activity. Listening to Mid-Autumn legends. Elders tell children legends related to the Mid-Autumn Festival, such as the story of Chang'e flying to the moon, which is an important cultural tradition.
Mid-Autumn Festival legend.
Hoey shooting down the suns.
Long ago, 10 suns suddenly appeared in the sky, scorching the earth, drying up rivers, and withering crops, making it impossible for people to survive. The Jade Emperor decided to send a powerful archer named Hoey to save the world. Hoey climbed Mount Kunlun and, with his divine bow, shot down 9 of the suns, leaving only one to shine upon the world. Hoey's heroic actions saved humanity, restoring life to the earth. People were deeply grateful to him and regarded him as a great hero.
Chang'e flies to the moon.
In the legend, Chang'e was the wife of Hoey, a famous archer who shot down 9 suns to save the earth. As a reward, he was given an elixir of immortality. However, Chang'e accidentally swallowed the elixir, causing her to become light and ascend to the moon, where she was separated from her husband forever. On the moon, Chang'e feels lonely, and during the Mid-Autumn Festival, people worship her, hoping she finds happiness and peace on the moon.
The Jade Rabbit pounding medicine.
Long ago, 3 gods disguised as old men tested the kindness of a monkey, a fox, and a rabbit by asking for food. While the monkey and fox quickly found food, the rabbit, unable to do so, offered itself by jumping into a fire. This noble act deeply moved the 3 gods, who revealed their true forms and sent the rabbit to the moon, making it an immortal celestial being. Since then, the jade rabbit has lived in the moon palace with Chang'e, pounding the elixir of immortality with a mortar and pestle every day.
Wu Gang chopping the bay laurel tree.
In ancient times, a woodcutter named Wu Gang grew tired of the ordinary life and sought immortality, but he lacked the perseverance needed to succeed. The Jade Emperor, displeased with his attitude, sent him to the moon as punishment. There, Wu Gang was given an impossible task: to chop down a magical cherry bay tree that regrew every time he cut it. No matter how hard he tried, Wu Gang could never complete the task, and he remains on the moon to this day, endlessly chopping the tree.
Common vocabulary.
Specialty foods for the Mid-Autumn Festival.
Mooncake, pomelo, osmanthus cake, osmanthus wine, taro cake, salted egg yolk pastry, sweet rice balls, chestnut cake, snow skin mooncake.
Activities for the Mid-Autumn Festival.
Admire the moon. Eating mooncakes. Carrying lanterns. Appreciating osmanthus flowers. Viewing lantern shows.
Fun facts about the Mid-Autumn Festival.
Barbecue party.
Many people believe that the rise of the Mid-Autumn Festival barbecue trend is closely related to promotional activities by businesses. In the 1970s, a Taiwanese soy sauce brand launched an advertisement for barbecue sauce during the Mid-Autumn Festival, encouraging people to enjoy barbecues with family and friends during the holiday.
Mid-Autumn Festival beyond China.
In addition to China, other East and Southeast Asian countries, like Japan, Vietnam, and Singapore, also celebrate the Mid-Autumn Festival. However, each country has its own unique customs. For example, in Vietnam, the Mid-Autumn Festival is more like a children's day, with lantern parades and lion dances.
Mooncakes as secret messengers.
It is said that during the late Yuan dynasty, Zhu Yuanzhang and others secretly plotted to overthrow Mongol rule. One of the methods they used to communicate rebellion plans was by hiding messages inside mooncakes. These notes contained the date and location of the uprising, successfully aiding in the coordination of the rebellion.
Happy Mid-Autumn Festival!